So, anyways, y'all, as you can see, we back on the Accord, bro. And we're sanding these crusty ass headlights. That one's all sanded down to like 600. I need to hit that one still. This is the one that's me. This is the one that's garbage. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna get a time lapse of this because I didn't do this one on cam. But yeah, I'm gonna get like 3,000 grits so I can hit this. As y'all can see on this one, I just hit that one with that little polishing pad thing, bro. And oh, look at what it did to the paint, to the light, to the clear cut. Look how clear it looks. I'm gonna hit it right here. Get all the spots I can get. I don't know if it's polishing it or what, but it's looking crazy good right now. Like it was hazy compared to the other one. Yeah, I don't know if it's like it's a polisher or what, but it is. There's a wet sand in it. But yeah. It's 3,000 grit. I know that. But let's just go ahead and wipe this off. There we go. We hit that one with 3,000 grit. It is actually pretty good to go. This is gonna be the doozy, so let's set y'all up and let's get y'all a time lapse of this. Alright guys, let's get her done. I started off with 150 grit. Make sure to get it super wet. Light my grit up too. Get it super wet. Sand this light. See? Yellow can visibly start to fall off. What you want? Just keep sanding. And grab 150. 150 gonna knock out a bunch of imperfections that you want to focus on first. See the yellow that's on here? And the yellow that's on actually light that's going on? Yeah, you can actually see the yellow fall off the light. That's crazy, right? Just spray it down again, hit it with that. What color should we pick the cord though? Let me go read it. Soapy water gonna be your best friend, bro. Take your sand, pick the last one of the sand too. Got to put the sand. Right here, got to keep down to the clear. It just blows cool air quickly. Which I need. It's working out. I'm glad it worked. Alright, now, spray it again. It's gonna be our probably last pass with this 150. Because 150 is a little aggressive. So, at this pass, we're gonna go circular motion. Circular motion, see what I'm doing? Circular. Not like this, not like that. Circular. Go back and forth. Circular, just like that. Circular, circular. You can spray it at the same time too. Okay. Done with that. What? The other. I'm gonna spray that one. Let's see. We're gonna move to R. I think it's 400 I got. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, we're going for this what, 400? 320. 320 is what we got next up. 320. Just gonna fold that in half actually. Then fold it down. Now, spray your sandpaper. Spray your light. And if you're going in with that 300. 300 does feel a little grabby, but let's go with it. 300 is going to break down a bunch of this BS that's on here. You guys can see that just rolling off of it. See that yellow? It's just rolling off of there. Get all that off. Spray it again if it's dry. Just doing this up. Really good though. Get y'all right up and close and personal. Hit it again. Another 300. Now I'm going to do the circular motions. Like that. There you go. Over here with some 400. Same thing. Spray your light off. There's some more water. Some more agua. Just stop using it off the roof. But you do not want to let your sandpaper get dry. It's going to cause your mark to get really, really deep. Go to town with the 400. See it breaking off more of that ground? Every step you go, you break off another layer of that ground that previous piece of sandpaper couldn't get off. So go crazy with your foot on it. I'm gonna paint the car soon anyway, so I don't care if I bump these fenders a little bit with the sandpaper. What color should it be, guys? It's gonna be in with maybe within the next week or sometime after my birthday, which is close. So let me know my wife. So keep going with this 400. Sudsy bubbles in there. Let's spray it again. Watch how clear it's gonna get. Look at all that. Just falling right off. So keep hitting it with that 400. We're gonna switch up to our circular motions here. Circular motions right now. Okay, and that is with your 400 grit. Now let's see what we got. You're gonna take your rag and wipe your light off, just like that. Wipe that light off. Now, we're done with the 400. We're going to jump to our 600 sandpaper. Do the same thing, sandpaper. I think y'all get the gist of what we're doing now. Sandpaper spray, spray, spray. Spray, 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 spray. Then go crazy with your 600 grit. Do the same thing, couple passes side to side, get the whole light. Couple passes side to side like that. Then we're gonna come down, spray our sandpaper again. Boom, 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 spray the light. Then we're gonna go with our up and down patterns like that. Just hold your sandpaper how you want, I don't care, do it your way. But come with some of these up and downs. So I'm gonna call them up and downs. The light lights are up and down. So anyways, that. And we're gonna come back here, hit it with the swirl. Couple passes with the swirl.
You guys can see, bro, the lights turned out amazing. Amazing. Camera did die towards the end, but yeah, guys, the lights turned out. Sheesh. Sheesh. Yeah, so let's go wipe this off and get the paint. Everything over here, all we have to do is wipe it and spray. Yeah, as you can see, give it a quick little wipe off. Everything is sanded, so quick wipe off is all you need. Yeah. It's gonna be our top coat right there. Package on, we are spraying. Good guys, we'll continue this video tomorrow. We ended up just going black with the hood. It's gonna need to be wet sanded tomorrow, so now I'll clear it and all that too. But yeah, you guys can see, whole hood is done. Right now, guys, we're just trying to get some of this, dirt and debris out the paint. Get some of this dirt and stuff out the paint, Good old wet sand with, I'm sanding with 3000 grit. Because this is still raw paint still, so I don't want to too deep mess anything up. So yeah, we're gonna see here. He has to keep it wet. When y'all feel it getting dry, and y'all want to spray something on it. And remove the corners up here and right here. And I need to go refill this more water. Yeah, I can already tell this, what's that, bugs, dirt and stuff like that is out the paint already. I can tell. This is how smooth it is. Right here it was a big ass bug and now it's gone. So, yeah. The edges, especially right there. Get up there also. I'm gonna go to the other side and do some paint. Let me go get some water. There we go. Yeah, it's a little draggy right now. Yeah, let me go get some more water. Got plenty of soap, plenty of water. Didn't get a chance to end the video off, guys, but anyways, what was we on? We did tint. We did calipers too. Calipers look crazy good. The hood ain't come out too bad either, as you can see.